welcome to our apartment. As you know, we recently moved to Chicago, so we live in a one-bedroom apartment here. It's not like completely done, but I'm just so excited to finally be able to show you guys around because we have spent so much time trying to make this place just look, you know, amazing and fun and welcoming. So we're in our entryway right now. We just have this little map set up, this mirror here, and we have this bench that John built. I wouldn't say it's like the best.
Thank you for that.
I'm not gonna say that.
Thank you for that.
But anyway, so you sit and it just kind of rocks back and forth. So it's like technically a rocking chair too. So it's like nice. We have the pillows here.
Yeah.
We keep, you know.
Wait, sit back down. You look cute. That's the first time you sat on that bench. That's a good look.
No, I knew it was wobbly the whole time. Our dog literally thinks we're leaving right now because we're standing here. We literally never sit or do anything here.
What's up, Kennedy?
I'll link everything down below also in case, you know, except for the map because I don't think you can get it.
That stuff's handmade. Can't replicate
handmade.
it.
Then we have these hooks here. This is literally the ugliest part of our whole apartment, so please ignore it. But we just hang like our masks.
It does get better.
Yes. Now we're in the kitchen again, and we just have these casual white cabinets. We have like spices and stuff. Those are not spices. Why did I say spices? Those are grains and beans. But then we have here our chopping board things, like charcuterie boards. Yeah, it's like a very casual, normal kitchen, and it's only against this wall, which is actually my favorite thing in the world because I hate islands. Don't even get me started, especially for a small apartment. I just love when the kitchen's like this. It like saves so much space. You actually have room to like walk around. If you can't tell, our apartment like feels so spacious here. I hope you can tell. It's so nice. Like we're just like, we have all this room to like walk around and do whatever we want. Do cartwheels and stuff all the time.
Do a cartwheel.
So right across from our kitchen, we actually have our workspace. We both work from home now, you know, it's 2021, everyone's doing it. So we have a desk here and it's a standing desk that John actually also built. I will try to find similar standing desks though to link for you guys. We love standing now. I was sitting for a very long time and I have like scoliosis and stuff. So I was like, I probably shouldn't do that anymore. So then we also got these stools here. They're very, very, very uncomfortable, which is awesome because it makes you want to stand more. We have this shelf also that John built, and if you see those yellow things on the plans, I will explain later because it's the whole thing. We're hoping to add more frames and like add more plants and like just kind of rearrange the whole situation, maybe add more books. So stay tuned for the future. You want to go to the bedroom?
Let's go.
I feel like that was so creepy. Like, do you want to go to the bedroom? You know?
Well, only if you make it creepy.
Also, we're in the hallway right now. As you can see, there's like a concrete wall. Oh, hey, sister. And we also have concrete ceilings. Shut up.
Look at those.
So our bathroom is actually like my least favorite part of this entire apartment. So please don't judge. It's gray, it's dark. It's just like, you can tell it's just not the best. But here we put up some picture frames just to make like the ceilings look taller, to like make it a vertical experience. Here we also have another bench that John built and we just put like towels under there, and it's like a very standard bathroom, especially for an apartment. We honestly haven't even decorated it much, so it's just kind of meh. Right next to our bathroom, we have our bedroom, and it's just like a really bright, open room, which we love. So lucky. I love these dry mirrors. They just make the space look so big and amazing and just great. And then we have a plant here, no pot yet. And here we have nightstands that John still has to finish, but he built these too, which is really cool. And we just have plants, lamp, you know, typical nightstand behavior. Here we have this bed. This is a platform bed that John built.
4 years ago?
Yeah, he built this 4 years ago, all by yourself.
For the most part.
Yeah, by himself, he built this house. But yeah, so here's our, oh, you're a good girl, we love you. Here we just have this clothing rack, and I have always wanted this look. So yeah, I just hang up like all my white clothes here, basically. We have plants, books. I originally wanted to put a daybed here, but then we just decided to add this chair that I took from my parents' house, and it's a cane chair. It like adds coziness to it, and Kennedy actually sleeps here most of the time. And then there we just have our books, fun stuff. And we also have this giant window, which is the best part of this entire bedroom. We have never had a window like this, a view like this. It's just insane. So we're just really happy. Here we have our closet. This is a random frame that we got from my brother too. And yeah, it's like a very standard, you know, closet, but it has a window, which is pretty crazy too. So here's our dresser. I just have our jewelry. We have a mirror, candle, and a plant. But yeah, so that's my favorite place. Wait, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true at all. This is not my favorite. Okay, so this is my second most favorite room in the apartment. We have never, ever had a dining room our whole marriage. Here we just have a giant mirror. I hope you can tell how big it is. We just have some plants here. We're trying to make like a hanging plant situation, and we just have another plant here. And then we have this amazing dining table, which John also built, but it is just super simple. It's just a round table, and we have these chairs. The black ones we brought from North Carolina. We got a long time ago, and then we found these wood ones on Facebook Marketplace, and they're actually from Crate and Barrel.
Crate and Barrel, I think so.
They're from Crate and Barrel. They have these like incense things to try to make it like cozy, but then I read that they actually cause cancer, so we're just gonna light them until we're out. Super fun.
Oh, that's fun. I just learned that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
sorry.
yikes.
I didn't want to tell you. So as you can see, we have floor-to-ceiling windows, which are just amazing and beautiful, and they're perfect for a plant lover like myself. We have just a bunch of plants that I'm propagating. We actually had a plant death yesterday. I feel like I'm making this so depressing. So basically, we went to Home Depot and I bought a bunch of plants. I got really, really excited, and we just left them sitting together. One thing led to another. One plant died. We come to find out that it was infected, but at this point, we had already like put it right next to all our other plants. So basically, we had a bug gnat infestation. I don't know if you've ever had that, but it's like a very sad situation because all the plants basically die. But yeah, so that's it. That's the propagation story here. Okay, and last but not least, this is the best room in the entire apartment. It is a dream come true, sent from above. And that is our living room. We have this giant, can you tell how big it is on camera?
It actually looks pretty big.
So I'm 5'2", and this is probably like 6 feet tall. And it is so big, it's so beautiful. I definitely recommend getting a giant lamp for your living room if you have room for it, because it just ties this whole thing together. It like defines the space. It's just amazing and beautiful. But anyways, then we have frame, our couch. Our couch is actually a bed. Like you can like bring it forward and then you push it back, and you can set it all the way down like this, and you can do that to this side as well. So you can sleep like 2 people here if you put sheets on, of course. And then you can also like bring it up like halfway like this. So you can actually like lay here and like, oh wow, that was exhausting. We have 2 plants hanging here. I was super into the plant hanging situation, so John made me hooks. And then here we just have, I don't know how to describe this, sticks. We have sticks. We thought it'd be good to like kind of mix it up because we have so many plants already. And we're like, okay, these can't get any gnats. Let's just get some sticks. So, and then we got this from H&M Home when we don't have anything like this. So John and I decided to get it, and we love it. It's beautiful, amazing. We have some coffee table books down here about wine, even though we don't drink wine really. And then we have these coasters our friends made us for a wedding gift. So they lasered and engraved like quotes of things that we said. So shout out to them. Yeah, so, and we also have a humidifier for our plants. If you live in a dry place, I would definitely also recommend getting one. I don't know, but I do feel more humid. I feel more humid overall. I hope you love our apartment. Stay tuned. We're still like obviously working through stuff. There's so many things that don't have pots, and like I said, our little plant story. We're gonna come back and like fill this place with plants, right, John?
Oh, absolutely. I can't wait.
Oh, let me know what your favorite part of the apartment is. We have so many things that we're working on in the apartment, like so many things that we're gonna update, so stay tuned. But that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello, welcome to our new apartment. As you know, we recently I can't do it.